friends, welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. In this today video I am discussing from KSET 2013 to 2020 data analysis questions solving. In that first question, the closeness of a result to its true value or accepted value is, its answer is accuracy. Means it's a closeness of result to its true or accepted value. Similarly, one question they have asked in 2020 about precision. Here precision means here refers to the agreement among respective values of the measured parameters. This is called precision. In case of 2020 they asked. Here about median, I already told that for n values what you have to do, whatever middlemost value is there na, that is median. For if odd number of values are there, that time whatever middlemost two values are there na, that sum divided by 2 you will get median. Here data analysis means here they asked mean and standard deviation. For this mean, what you have to take the sum of these three numbers divided by total number. Here three numbers are there, so you will get mean is 15.8. Finding standard deviation, first you have to find x minus x bar square. Here x minus x bar means individually you have to subtract 15.67 difference of 15.8. Here minus plus or minus nothing, it's no problem because you are taking squares. 15.67 minus difference 15.8 is 0.13. 15.69 difference 15.8 is 0.11. The 16.03 difference 15.8 is 0.23. If you take squares of this and adding this 0.089819, you will get summation of x minus x bar square, you will get 0.0819. For simplification I will take 0.08 divided by 2, 0.004. On solving you will get standard deviation 0.2 gram. This question already discussed. Of the three types of systematic errors encountered chemical analysis, which is most difficult to identify the correct. Here method error is difficult to find. For this question, see answers for this. This diagram is for low accuracy and low precision. Similarly, like this you see. For detailed explanation, I have discussed already in my previous video about data analysis formula revision. In that you watch that video. Here, in which type of error affect results of a series of a determination to the same degree? Here answer is determinant error. Here they asked again, here's mean and standard deviation. What for mean? You have to take average of that. Again x minus x bar, I already told in previous question, x minus x bar square n minus 1. On solving you will get standard deviation is 0.045. Next question. In 2016 they asked, in gravimetric analysis, measured value they have given and true value they have given. They asked to find relative error, absolute error divided by true error into 100. In percentage means you will have to multiply by into 100. If they asked in parts per thousand, you have to multiply it by 1000. Here x minus xt divided by xt into 100. Here true measured value is 122.5 and true value is 12.02. you will get 1.91 percentage. In 2017 they asked probability they have given, they asked average value. For this average value what you have to do? Simply 1 into 0.20, 3 into 0.25. Here this is 4, here missed 1, 4 into 0.55. On adding this you will get average value, that is 3.15. In 2018 they asked median of the following set. First you have to arrange the whatever values they have given that in increasing order. Here already they have given in increasing order only. Whatever middlemost value is there, that value is median. Here observations are odd. In that case middlemost value is the median. In 2017 again they asked standard deviation. Here data are given here. Here see, here already solved in detail. You know the formula, you know how to solve. See here, its answer is standard deviation is 0.728. Again here they asked relative error. See, again they asked relative error. They asked only precision, accuracy, relative error, absolute error, standard deviation, mean deviation. This much only they will ask. We have to concentrate mainly on this only. Here relative error means absolute error divided by true value. True value is nothing but accepted value into 1000, because the options are given in parts per 1000. So xi minus xt into 1000, whatever you solve na, you will get 2.4 ppt parts per 1000. Friends, this is all about uh, sorry, again 4 questions I missed here. Analysis gave a results of 30.42 against a supposedly true value of 38 gram. The absolute error will be, means measured value minus true value. Measured value minus true value, you will get 0.42. Here in this question they asked a method analysis yields a weights for a gold that are low by 0.4 gram. The percentage of relative error caused by its uncertainty with the gold in the same sample are 700 gram to 50 gram. First, relative error means absolute error by true value into 100. Here 0.4, why I have taken negative means here they have given yields weights for that gold are low by 0.4 mg. That's why I have taken minus 0.4 into 100 in divided by 700, because in one case they have to take 700 gram. If you take minus 700 gram, you'll get minus 0.06. Again, if you take similarly 250, you will get minus 0.16. It's nearly to 0.2. In that option they have given like that. This two questions I have missed. Here analysis gave a result of 38.42 against supposedly true value 38 gram. The relative error again they asked, you will get 1.1 percentage. Here for chlorine isotopes, the percentage they have given, they calculates the atomic weight. Average 75 percentage of 35 plus 24.6 percentage of 37 is 0.75.4 percentage, means you have to divide it by 100. You will get 0.754 into 35. Again 24.6 means 0.246 into 37, you will get 35.492. Friends, this was all about KSET questions. I have solved all 2013 to 2020 questions. This much is sufficient. You whatever I have told na, that previous formulas and this theory part, you watch these two videos. These are it's are sufficient for this data analysis. Thank you, friends.